viewers, welcome back to Orange School's YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered what companies actually look for when they hire a data analyst? No, right? We have analyzed the requirements from some of our hiring association companies like SBI Cards, Axis Max Life Insurance, Flipkart, Zip Electric, and Badu. And in this video, I will show you the exact skills they demand, the average salaries being offered, and the future scope of this career. If you are planning to become a data analyst, this video is going to save you hours of guesswork. At Odin School, we see data analysts and other data related roles come up very frequently in our placements. If you want to build a career in this field, our programs are designed around these exact in demand skills and connect you with hiring companies. So let's analyze job descriptions of companies from our hiring portal. Firstly, SBI cards. So SBI card expect you to analyze and interpret data to create reports and dashboards and maintain and update databases and also develop and implement data quality processes. Secondly, let's know what Access Max Life Insurance requires. You should be able to analyze and interpret data to identify trends and patterns. You should have an idea about Power BI tool and you should be able to develop and maintain Python scripts. Coming to Flipkart, you should be able to collect and interpret data, analyze results using statistical techniques, and develop and implement data analysis. Later, the Zip Electric. So here also, a data analyst should be able to collect and process and analyze large set of data, identify trends and patterns, and create visualization tools. Last but not the least, Bado. Bado expects you to write advanced SQL queries to extract and manipulate data. You should be able to analyze data to identify trends and provide insight. And you should be able to collaborate with teams to understand data needs and generate reports. So you can clearly see from startups to fintechs, e-commerce chains, and even insurance companies, everyone is hiring data analysts. Across all these JDs, here are the core must-have skills. SQL. It is used for advanced querying and data extraction. Then comes Excel. It is used for advanced reporting and manipulation. And then the most powerful tool, Power BI. It is used for building dashboards and reports. An alternative for this will be Tableau. And then Python. It is used for analysis, automation, and data cleaning. And communication skills are must have. You will be able to turn raw numbers into business insights using the above four skills. But for communicating those business insights to teams, you will need communication skills. So, other than these five skills, the additional skills or good to have skills include statistical and hypothesis testing. So you should be able to understand statistical concepts which will help analysts validate findings and make data driven decisions with confidence. Secondly, data visualization storytelling. As a data analyst, you can create splendid dashboards and reports, but for other teams to understand it, you should be able to break them into simple terms. And coming to third one, domain knowledge. Companies are in need of data analysts irrespective of the domain. Whether you are from finance, retail, or e-commerce, your domain experience will always be an advantage for data analyst career. And last but most important are certifications. It is always an advantage to have certifications like Power BI, Tableau, or analytical credentials. So, to make a data analyst work easier, there is an automation tool, which is N8N. So, N8N lets you build no code AI agents and workflows in seconds using natural language, automating tasks like emails, calendar events, and content creation with minimal setup. Coming to salary growth prospects. So, transitioning from traditional non IT position to an analyst role can lead to an average of 30 to 40% of salary hikes. And if your transition is from IT positions to analyst role, it can lead to an average of 40 to 60% of salary hike. For professionals with 2 to 3 years of experience in analysis, 2x growth is common. And these numbers are global. And what's the future scope? Data analysts often move into specialized roles like business analyst, product analyst, or marketing analyst, or grow into senior data analysts and analytical managers. Some also transition into data science or machine learning by picking up advanced modeling skills. And with the help of automation tools, you can transfer your career into artificial intelligence roles too. So the path is flexible. You can either stay in analytics and climb the ladder or pivot into data science, product strategy, or business consulting. And that's a wrap about data analyst role. Let's explore other roles in the upcoming videos. But if you want any specific role to be explored, do comment down. Thank you.